I come to you at the start of this new day. The world is still quiet. The sun is just beginning to rise. And before anything else, I pause to be with you. Thank you for the gift of this day, for the breath in my lungs, the strength in my body, and the hope that comes with a fresh beginning. Whatever yesterday held, I lay it down. The things I got right, the things I got wrong, the worries I carried, I release them into your hands. Today is a new canvas. Paint it with grace. Be in my thoughts. Guide my choices. Let my words build, not break. Let my actions reflect love. Let my presence bring calm. I don't know what this day holds, but you do. So I trust you. Lead me where you want me to go. Open doors I can't open, and close the ones that are not for me. Give me wisdom for every decision. Give me patience when I want to rush. Give me courage when fear whispers doubt. And when I'm overwhelmed, bring me back to you, not to escape, but to rest. Help me see the small gifts in front of me, a smile, a deep breath, a kind word, a moment of stillness. Remind me that miracles often come dressed as ordinary moments. Use me today, Lord, not just for what I do, but for who I am. Let me be a light in someone's dark place. Let me bring peace where there's tension. Let me offer kindness where it's least expected. And through it all, keep me close. Don't let me drift. Don't let me forget. I belong to you. This day is yours, and I am yours. Amen.